Hi, Ben here, and we're down the field, and we thought it'd be a good time to show you what you get in one of our carving tool sharpening kits. So I've got mine in my rucksack. The great advantage of the carving tool sharpening set is because they're made out of wood, there's no fear of them getting broken when they're in your rucksack, so they're perfect for when you're on the trail. So inside the bag itself that comes embossed with our logo, you get the two sharpening sticks themselves. So one has got sandpaper wrapped around it, which is held in place with rubber bands. The reason why it's only held on with rubber bands is as this wears out, or you nick it or you damage it, you can just take the bands off, unfurl the bit that's damaged or worn out, snip off a bit, and then you've got fresh paper ready to go. So that just holds it nicely in place. You've got quite a nice wide flat section here for all your flat tools, but each side is radiused as well, so that's designed so that it can get into the curve of your crook knife, so that's perfect for getting in those tight radiuses. You also get a leather strop as well, so it's a same shaped stick with the radiused edges but with some pigskin on there, which is a really nice soft leather which you can use either dry or with some compound. And you also get your other grades of paper, so it comes normally with your finest grade, so that's 1200 grit wet and dry paper, but you also get 400 grit and you also get 240 grit. The coarser grades are great when you've got lots of steel to remove, if you've got a very damaged or old tool that you've got to restore, so you've got those in the bag if you need them. And what you also can add to that kit, if you wanted to, is you can add extra sandpaper, so you've got plenty to go at if you've got lots of sharpening to do. You can also add some tormak paste, which is our sort of preferred honing compound, which you can apply to the leather if you don't want to use it dry. You can actually use some of that compound. That's going to improve the ease of sharpening and also put a better edge on your tools. If you wanted to as well, if you're going to be using it for sort of sharpening pen knives or kitchen knives, things that haven't got a flat Scandi grind, is you can add one of these little angled blocks. This is angled to about 13 degrees, so it's absolutely perfect for sharpening your Swiss Army knife. You can also, if you wanted to, add a little bit of camellia oil as well. That's perfect for applying onto your tools. If they're carbon tools, you need to protect them from any kind of moisture and obviously corrosion, so one of the camellia oil applicators is a real good advantage. So when it comes to using these, they're absolutely ideally suited for taking away with you. They're very light, like I say, you're never going to break them, and they're really geared up for keeping all your carving tools really nice and sharp. You can sharpen your Scandi grinds, so this is my little Nomad, so using that flat section I can use that for putting an edge back on my knife, but also you can even use them for bigger tools like sharpening your axe and things like that. Because they've got a nice length to them, it means you can come from behind the cutting edge and you're not going to cut your fingers like these tiny little sharpeners that you see. So really nice, lightweight, really good bit of kit, and perfect for keeping all your tools absolutely razor sharp. So that's what you get in our carving tool sharpening kit. These are available on our website, and if you're buying any carving tools, it's not a bad idea to add one of those so you can keep all the tools as razor sharp as the tools will come when you get them. So thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments, and see you next time.